Not sure if this camera's going to pick it up, the audio, but for the last several days there's been this noise coming from the woods, or possibly from the river. I'm not sure. I don't know if it had anything to do with the tornado, which is kind of odd. But every day it's almost like it's coming from everywhere. I'll shut my mouth and let you listen. Kind of this weird background white noise or something, but it's the oddest thing. Kind of reminds me when you're deep in the woods, you can almost hear mosquitoes that are real bad in the summertime, but this is like super amplified, so it may be some sort of insect. I'm not sure. Or maybe we're being invaded by a species of giant ants.